Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover HashPack wallet. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing is you need to be in the app, and what we will do now is go up to the top right corner where you see these three lines. Click on that and add account at the top. Now you have here the two options, so create a new wallet, and I already have a wallet, so click on I already have a wallet. And now you have basically three options how you can recover this, or you can import existing wallet. So you will select here continue with email, or import recovery phrase, or import with private key. So let's go and try with this one. So I have email like that. We will need to wait a little bit. Now we will need to confirm this phrase which we get to the email. So I need to put in it like that. Wait a little bit again. So I will go with this name and then import wallet. Okay, so I need to confirm here first that I'm not a robot, and now I can import. Okay, again. Okay, like so. So I have some issues, but this is basically how to do that. After you are finished with that, you will see here that we have this account again right over here, and it's totally working now. Again, I will need to put in the seed phrase again. Okay, so I need to put the new one in like that. And now we are back in our second account. As you can see, switch account right here. I have now two accounts ready in HashPack wallet. So this is how you can recover or import the HashPack wallet in HashPack wallet. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.